Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Roxy. Today I have a Shein Tryon haul. I got a couple of pieces that I'm going to show to you guys. This is not my regular setup and all, you know what I'm saying, but we're gonna make it work. So let's get started, y'all. Okay, you guys, so the first item I'm showing is this robe. I actually got it in this kind of burgundy kind of fuchsia color, and I also got it in the blue because you know it's summertime. You want some robe that's not as thick as your winter robe, you could get these. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's a two-piece. It's cute. I like it. All right, you guys, so this is the next number. This is just this gray two-piece short and sports bra type of thing. Oh, it do have pocket. I knew it has pocket, but I didn't know the pockets work. And it's a little bit big, so I flipped the band, so that's that. So yeah, the pockets actually do work, so that's dope. But yeah, so this is the next item. Something quick to throw on or whatever. Alright, you guys, so the next item I got was this black t-shirt. I'm kind of sort of into t-shirt nowadays. I don't know what's going on, but I am. And it's just black. It has my birth, the year 1993 on here. So yeah, I got these short set. It was two of them come, the black and the lime green. I'm into shorts. I've been into shorts, so yeah. So I just got these. So this is the shorts. Alright, you guys, so this is the next shirt that I got. Black t-shirt with this thing. Just a plain old black t-shirt with this design right here. So yeah, like I said, I'm kind of sort of into t-shirt at the moment, so that's that. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. Just a white t-shirt with NYC 1993 East Coast. Then I got these shorts. On here it says New York, so I just put them together. It's real cute. But yeah, and just to let y'all know, the material on these do feel really good, like good quality stuff. Okay, it do feels. All right, you guys, so this is the next item. It's a two-piece set, clearly. This is it. The shorts, is see-through. Basically, the whole thing is see-through. I actually like the shirt. It's long sleeve and it actually fit my long hands. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I got it in white also. So basically, I would probably wear these shorts around the house. Some crop top or something, like lounge clothes, you know. Boom. So yeah, I'm not gonna try on the white set, you know, just because it's the same thing literally. But yeah, so this is it, y'all. And the next thing I got is just this pair of blue socks with a butterfly. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the next item that I got. Is this jean. It's high-waisted. It actually fit my ankle, so that's dope. I got a tag. I hate tags. But so this is the jean. Fit me really, really well. I love it. Alright, you guys, so that was it for the haul. I hope you guys could see me and I could see. Well, I could see. Oh yeah, that's fine. But yeah, this is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoy. It was a short little mini haul, y'all. But yeah, so this is a look for me. What y'all think? Let me know. So yeah, I have a couple more hauls coming up. And yeah, so stay tuned for that, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.